Hello everyone, welcome to Pratishtha Education. So today's topic is bird hand theory. So bird hand theory comes from the saying that a bird in the hand is worth than two in the bush. That means a bird which is in hand is better than the two in the bush. In finance, this theory explains investor preference and dividend policy. Generally, what investors prefer, they prefer dividend today rather than capital gain expected in the future. We all know that while investors sales their investment in future, they receive capital gain on that. But what but generally there is tendency of the investors that they want dividend today rather than capital gain in the future. Cash, the core idea is simple. Cash in hand now is valued more than the uncertain return later, because today, when we receive cash today, is more valued than the uncertain return in later. In future, there might be losses on the investment, or there might be gain in the future. So investor prefer dividend today rather than the uncertain capital gain in future. So according to burden and argument, dividend are certain, while future capital gain are uncertain. Whatever the dividend company will pay today is certain. They will receive their cash today, while the future gains are uncertain. There might be increase in the value of share capital, or our investor might face losses also. So regular dividend reduce perceived investment risk. Investors can immediately reinvest dividend for additional return. So, based on the today's topic, there is a concept check question. Who propounded the bird hand theory? Meyer Gordon and John Linter, Alfred Marshall, Adam Smith, J.P. Say. Thank you.